Don't you hate buying salsa from the store? You don't have to keep doing that. All you need to get is one food processor, like this. In today's show, we are gonna be making homemade salsa. Okay, so for this recipe, we're gonna use 1 bell pepper, has to be red, 1 red onion, 2 Roma tomatoes, 1 lime, some cilantro, a jalapeno. I'm using pineapple tidbits, and then I'm also gonna use 1 little cube of garlic. We're gonna start by prepping the ingredients. The cool thing about using whole foods is that you can have all of those nutrients from those vegetables, but you don't have to have that high sodium that you would get in a jar of salsa. Also, most jars list the serving size as 1 to 2 tablespoons. I don't know about you, but I usually have a whole cup. Okay, tip of the day. If you cry every single time that you cut a red onion, this is what you should do. Get yourself some goggles, just regular swim goggles. You will not cry at all. This is so great. You should go buy some. Did you know that both garlic and red onion contain something called quercetin that helps to regulate blood pressure and sugar levels within the body and also has anti-inflammatory properties? Okay, so I did not add salt to this, but I did add a second lime just to give it a little bit more flavor. Okay guys, it's ready. We're gonna try some.